Put chlorine on top of salt, and you'll make a lot of money. Chlorine is one of the most used items for cleaning toilets. In this tip, along with salt, will fully enhance the bactericidal effect. To start our tip today, I will start putting in a container a kilo of salt. Then we will also add a litre of chlorine. The ideal is to mix well to dilute the salt completely. And before I forget, tell me which city you watches to send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Jacqueline Lewis from Australia. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. I can't believe I've spent my whole life not knowing this. It's amazing. We will also use 2 tablespoons of baking soda and mix again. I always use baking soda for cleaning in my home. It brings an alkaline power that facilitates the use of other items. This tip became the main way of cleaning here at home since the first day one tested. Now only clean the bathroom like this. Finally, the last ingredient for this tip is disinfectant. The ideal amount for use is 200 milliliters. In addition to acting on cleaning, also brings an incredible aroma. Tell me if you have any salt cleaning tips. I'd love to know. To facilitate the application, we will place the mixture fully in a bottle to store the product, and also to facilitate the time of application. I'm using a funnel. To put the product this way facilitates the process and avoids the waste of the mixture. After I learned this recipe, I was impressed with the ease of cleaning. This is the secret that markets and factories do not want you to discover. Done that, our tip is ready to use. Just apply and rub a little to see the incredible result. Do not worry about the amount of ingredients. With the ease that we'll have for cleaning, using this tip, you will have a very large saving by using only a small amount for cleaning. For use is simple, so apply the product to the toilet. We will already notice the cleaning. To facilitate the removal of yellow stains, also waste, we will also use a brush to scrub the toilet. You can even prepare this mixture and earn money by selling to your neighbors and family members. Everyone will be impressed by the ease of cleaning this tip. Tell me later if you got the desired result. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.